Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about Naxdom-500 Tablet. We coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Pure and Cure Healthcare Private Ltd. Naxdom-500 Tablet. Uses. Naxdom-500 Tablet is mainly used for the prevention of migraine. It helps reduce the frequency and severity of migraine attacks when taken as prescribed by a doctor. Benefits. In migraine prevention, Naxdom-500 Tablet works by blocking chemicals responsible for pain sensation. It also blocks signals in the brain that cause nausea and vomiting associated with migraines. By reducing the frequency of migraine headaches, it helps you carry out daily activities more comfortably and improves overall quality of life. Side effects. Like all medicines, Naxdom-500 Tablet may cause some side effects in certain people. These can include headache, ringing in the ears, altered vision, tiredness, dizziness, drowsiness, or skin rash. If any side effect becomes severe or does not go away, consult your doctor. How to use. Take Naxdom-500 Tablet exactly in the dose and duration advised by your doctor. Swallow the tablet whole with water. Do not chew, crush, or break it. It may be taken with or without food, but taking it at a fixed time is recommended for best results. How it works. Naxdom-500 Tablet is a combination of two medicines, naproxen and domperidone. Naproxen is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug that blocks chemical messengers responsible for migraine pain. Domperidone works on the part of the brain that controls vomiting. Together, they provide effective relief from migraine symptoms.